Okay, here we can see we took the inside lip out with the Dremel tool. Just lightly went through on the inside and sanded that inside lip down. And what we'll do next is we'll take some of this aluminum flashing, we'll cut 3/8 inch strips, and we'll glue it inside here with silicone glue. And then once that's dry, we'll screw it into place in several different sections. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut a 3/8 inch strip from this aluminum flashing with my Rockwell blade runner. And there you go. We'll clean that up with a little bit of sandpaper, and then we'll shape it, and we'll get it glued into the slider frame. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to bend this to an approximate shape, and we're going to put some masking tape on the inside where the seam would be so that we don't get glue on any of the glass. And then we'll go ahead and put some silicone on there and glue it in place. So very simply just bend it to where you think that you have a good shape, and then just try and fit it. And what we're looking for, we want to have this so that it sticks out past the canopy. Like so. And right about there. And what that'll do is that'll actually make the air dam that we need for it to keep the air out from going in between the pieces. So I'll get a piece of some masking tape inside there, and then we'll go ahead and get the glue in. Now that we have the tape in here, what we'll do is get some silicone glue along this edge right here, and we'll glue in the frame piece, and then clamp it down and let it dry. You don't need a whole lot when you do this, so we're just going to put a thin smear in here because we don't want to have to peel a whole bunch of it off afterwards. Take our aluminum and line it up right at the edge of the tape. And we will clamp that in place. So there you have it. We'll let that set up, and then once it's dried a little bit, we'll go ahead and we'll drill and we'll screw that frame together. Okay, while we're waiting for that silicone glue to dry, we have the slider from the left side of the canopy, and there's the marks that we made when we drilled through the canopy for the 3 little holes. What we're going to do is we're going to drill into those marks, and we're going to tap it with 256 tap. So I take my trusty 16th inch drill bit, chuck it into my drill, and then we're just going to make 3 holes.
Gotta try to keep them in the middle. And one more.
And I just broke my drill bit. Okay, so I got the broken bit out by tapping this down in through there and popping it back out the other side. So now I'm ready to go ahead and tap these. And what I'll do is put a little bit of oil on here, because I don't have any more 256 taps. I don't have any more 256 taps, and I don't feel like waiting for a week to get one, so I'll just put a little bit of oil on these and tap them down into the holes. Alright, we've had a tool malfunction. I broke a drill bit and a tap, so we're down till next week. The only thing I can try and do is get the stiffeners into the canopy sections and get them screwed down. And that'll probably be in the beginning section of the next video. So until then, I'll talk to you guys later.